So, the date is 26th of November 2020. And we have Melkonkatu työstekes B, Invattoniemi Hallonnes, Lauttasaari Drumse, Helsinki, Helsingfors, Finland. Also have staircase A here, but see if we're gonna be able to get there later. The capacity is 4 persons or 320 kilograms, and it seems to be a little bit slow. But it's with the green color, it's cool. I like this very much.
Yeah.
And this was built in 1972. Yeah, the Kone yhtiö is turning 50 years old in 2022 when it's going to be inspected again, and the serial number is H29170. Love those numbers also.
Yeah.
Could this be maybe late 1972 if it's not far from the 73 one?
Yeah.
So possibly it's late 1972. And there are some floors here, NP and 8 buttons, but the stop and alarm buttons are still of the 1960s type NP and 6. I love the sounds from the machine room.
Same here.
I'm gonna take another ride because of that.
Yeah.
Because of the sounds,
Yeah.
and not because of the speed. So it could have been a bit faster.
Yeah. Spektiittaakin vain stand maintained by Schindler.
Yeah, not the best possible maintenance. Could have been Kone also.
Yeah.
But still amazing.
Yeah. You have to close the door with hand.
Yeah, manually.
Yeah.
Again. Okay, yeah, it's working. Weird. Why didn't they fix that? Well, they didn't have the spare part, maybe.
Yeah.
But they could have at least put some sort of door closer. I mean, the pump or
Yeah.
whatever it's called.
It's door closer in English.
Yeah, I mean door closer, exactly. That's what I said first. Alright, let's go. Thank you very much for watching. And that's it. Let's wait for the I'd like to go off.
That's